Good morning all. Today let's start our fourth chapter, Formatting in MS Word 2010. In this chapter we are going to discuss various formatting features available in MS Word 2010. Formatting means changing the appearance of the text. In a Word document we can change the design, size and color of a letter, number or symbol. We can also change the arrangement, line spacing or listing style of a block of text in a Word document to make it look presentable. So first let's check what are the different font options available in the font group. So here we can see this is called ribbon. Here we can see lot of tabs and the corresponding groups. So here in the home tab we can see a option called font group. So all the font options are available in this font group. Before discussing about the font options, first we should know what is a character. The each letters, numbers or symbols used in a text document is called a character. Okay, so what all alphabets, numbers or symbols we are using in a Word document, we can commonly call it as character. So a character designed in a particular way is called font. In the font group, here we can see the font list. Okay, lot of lists are here like Times New Roman, Arial, Calibri, etc. So these are many types of fonts. Each font has a different appearance from the other fonts. So whenever we are selecting a font, the appearance of the character will be totally changed. So here we can see lot of font styles. So these are known as font styles. And here we can see the font size list. The font size list of a character is measured in points. So for applying the font style and font size, first we should select the text. Then we can go for the font list for changing the appearance of the text, and also we can either increase or decrease the size of the letters. Okay, so these are the various font styles and font sizes. Okay, so we can make the letters bigger or we can decrease the size of letters by using these options. Okay, so these are the two options first we have studied. And next to that we can see an option called grow font. The grow font option is used for increasing the size of the letters. We can increase the size by the next size on the list. And also one more option is there called shrink font. Shrink font buttons from the font group, we can decrease the size of the letters by the next size on the list. So the first one is called grow font and second one is called shrink font. And here one more option is called font color. To change the font color, we have to select the characters first, then go to the font color option in the font group. Here we can see now we have changed the black color to the brown color. Next to the font color, we can see an option called text highlight color. Just as we mark some important points using a highlighter pen, we can use one option called text highlighter. So for applying text highlighter, first we need to select the text, then go to the option text highlighter. Lot of colors will be available there. So according to our need, we can select the color. Here we can see one option called clear formatting. To remove any formatting applied to the text, we can click on this option called clear formatting. It is also available in the font group of the home tab. Here we can see the highlighter is there and all other formatting is cleared. So this one we can use for clear the formatting. Now we have discussed about the options font list, font size, grow font, shrink font, text highlighter, font color and clear formatting. Next we are going to discuss about the options bold, italic and underline. Sometimes the text written in the same font is made to look more different by making it bold, italic or underline. So for applying these three options, first we need to select the text. Then we can click on either bold, italic or underline. When we click on the option bold, we will get a text darker than the normal text. And when we click on the option italic, we will get a slanted text. And finally, underline we can use for put a line under the text. And next to the underline, you can see a arrow. So when we click on that arrow, we can see various underline options. So for applying that one, first we need to select the text, then click on the arrow next to the underline. So various underline options we can see. We can choose any one of the options from the list. Okay. Now let's check what are the shortcut keys for bold, italic and underline. The shortcut key for bold is Ctrl plus B. The shortcut key for italics is Ctrl plus I. We have to press Ctrl and I together. And finally, the shortcut key for underline is Ctrl plus U. Okay, so we can use the keyboard and also the font group for applying bold, italic and underline options for the selected text. So today we have discussed some of the options available in the font group of Home tab, like font list, font size, grow font, shrink font, font color, bold, italic, underline, text highlighter, and in the case of text highlighter, we can see an option called no color. Okay, so this no color we can use for removing the text highlighter. We just want to select the highlighted text and we can click on the option no color for removing the highlighter. Okay, so finally the clear formatting option also we have studied. We can just select the text where we have applied the formatting and click on the option clear formatting just above the font color option. Okay.